Hello and welcome to Community Arts Kitchen. I am Barbara Libby-Steinmann. Today I would like to teach you an advanced version of how to dye eggs with a plant resist and how to make a homemade onion skin dye. Please watch this video first to understand what supplies you need to collect from your kitchen, how to create the onion skin dye, and how to wrap your eggs for the plant resist. Okay, let's get started. Supplies for onion skin dye. A pan that holds at least 4 to 6 cups of water, onion skins from yellow or red onions, vinegar, a spoon. Now that our onion skin dye is gently simmering, let's move on to the advanced plant resist. Supplies list for advanced plant resist. Nylons or fine stretchy cloth cut into 4 by 8-inch pieces. 1 cloth piece for each egg. Scissors and thread of any color. Uncooked white eggs or light brown eggs. In this advanced method, the eggs will be cooked directly in the dye to intensify the color. Small pieces of plants or leaves of interesting shapes soaked in water. And of course, the onion skin dye that you already made. Now I would like to show you my technique on how to apply a plant resist onto a raw white egg. Why this is not pre-boiled is so that we will get a really nice deep color because we're going to boil the egg right in the onion skin dye. White eggs give you a nice contrast. Brown eggs will work as well. So I have my plants, my leaves soaking here, and I'm pulling one out. This is a really gorgeous leaf from my violet plants out in the garden. And I'm going to actually remove the stem carefully because that's going to get in the way when I'm wrapping the egg. And I'm going to put the front side of the leaf, the darker side, down onto the egg, and the side that has the veins up are going to face me. Now I'm kind of flattening out the leaf onto the egg like this, and then I'm going to put it upside down onto, this is the nylon that I have pre-cut here, and I also have a thread over here that I'm going to use to tie it off. Okay, so I'm going to put this upside down onto the nylon stocking, and now I'm going to very carefully, oops, this thread wants to come in here, very carefully I'm going to wrap the nylon stocking around. On this one I'm just going to put one leaf on, and now I'm going to twist the nylon, and I want to make it really nice and tight. See how beautiful this is with the leaf on there. Twist, 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 and then just add the thread around there. And I don't even tie a knot, I just wrap it around a few times. Voila! So now this is going to be ready to go into the onion skin dye. If you would like to go for an extra challenge, try to add 2 leaves onto 1 egg. Maybe on the same side or one on either side of the egg. Here is a great example of 2 leaves attached to the same egg. Do make sure that the cloth is tightly stretched. I have now wrapped all of my eggs and they are ready to be cooked in the onion skin dye. Keep your onion skin dye on a gentle boil. With a spoon, carefully add the wrapped eggs, one by one, into the pan. Make sure the eggs are fully covered with the dye. Boil eggs in the dye for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the eggs are cooked, carefully place them with a spoon one by one into an ice bath to let them cool down a bit. Now that the eggs have cooled down a bit in the ice bath, it is time for my favorite part, the unwrapping of the egg and the revealing of the gorgeous resist that the leaf has left behind. I hope you are excited to try out this advanced technique. It is a little tricky to wrap the uncooked eggs. However, the colors will come out so much brighter if you cook the eggs in the dye. Look at this gorgeous color and resist the clover leaves have left behind. Stunning, isn't it? I would like to know about the science part behind this onion skin dyeing technique. Let's ask scientist Brian.
Here's Brian Schoikert, professor of pharmaceutical chemistry at UCSF, to give us an explanation.
Most onions have flavonoid compounds in their skins, which give them color. The red onions have anthocyanin dyes, which gives them that nice, rich red color. That's pH sensitive. The yellow onions have a compound called quercetin. It's another type of flavonoid. It gives them the yellow color. Like the anthocyanins in red onions, I suspect that the quercetin should be pH sensitive, although I don't know if that's true. You could try it yourself by using sodium bicarbonate and putting it in the yellow onion solution and seeing if it changes color.
As a final step, I like to polish my eggs. Add a tiny bit of olive oil or canola oil to a paper towel and carefully rub the oil onto the egg. This will bring a nice shine to your egg and will intensify the color a bit more. This plant resist egg dyeing technique with onion skin dye has been practiced in my family for generations. Perhaps this might become an artistic spring tradition in your family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Community ArtsKitchen. If you feel inspired, please post your finished dyed and decorated eggs on our Community ArtsKitchen Facebook page. We would love to see your results. See you next time on Community ArtsKitchen. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester. See you next time.